I've spent a couple of hours, like only like 6 or 7 or 12, making this. Don't worry don't worry about the music. It may be mildly frustrating, but yeah. This is all the code. It's for my game called Crashy Bird.
All right, let's play it on the. Let's play it on that.
On this?
Yep.
So here I'm gonna show you how the game works. This is button A, this is button B, and you have to get between the gaps.
That's awesome. What happens if you crash your Crashy Bird? Oh, you crashed. Game over. Awesome. Thanks, Owen.